Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? Sneezing is your body's way of getting rid of things that shouldn't be in your nose. When tiny particles like dust, pollen, or germs irritate the inside of your nose, your body reacts quickly. It sends a signal to your brain, and the brain tells you to inhale deeply. Then, suddenly, your body pushes air out through your nose and mouth really fast. This rush of air helps to blow out the unwanted irritants. It's like a mini explosion. Sneezing also helps to clear your airways so you can breathe easier. So, every time you sneeze, remember, it's just your body working hard to keep you healthy and safe.